All right, Max.
Whoa,
Smile.
yellow. Smile for mommy. Okay, and we're going to do the pink.
Put it in.
Put it in.
All right.
Oh, and you got the idea.
Oh,
We
we'll
got
take
blue.
that egg out. That was Mommy's egg.
Let's check on mommy's. Oh, mommy's is done.
Oh.
Okay, we got the drying wrap.
Right there. It's blue. There's Mommy's blue egg.
Okay, you do a blue one. You hold. You put it in the blue. Whoa! My goodness! Holy mackerel! Well, let's see if the orange one's ready. Because we are covered in dye. Let's
Hold
see.
on. Let's
check
check.
on your orange one. Let's check. Hold on.
Right, and don't turn your back on him.
Let's check.
Let's look. Say,
Oh, not ready.
not ready yet.
Not ready yet. Let's check.
Now we have to
on
wait.
What one do you want to check on?
The paper is very
Should we
messy.
check the green one?
Here, Daddy. Wipe the paper down.
You getting good pictures?
This is a video.
Oh, we're doing video.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well let's check on the green one. Let's see how it's coming along. Here, you use this. Hold this. We'll check on it. Max, you try. Oh, I don't think it's ready yet.
Not ready yet.
Not quite. Yeah. We'll check on the orange one. Or how about the yellow? Yellow usually takes a little while. Oh, that's pretty nice. That's yellow. That's a yellow egg. Can you put the egg back in? Put the yellow. Okay, well that one's almost ready. Let's check on the orange one. Orange, let's see. Oh, it's going to need longer. Okay, we'll check on the pink one. We're going to check the pink one. How's it coming along?
No, we gotta put it back.
Put her back in there. Okay.
All right, we gotta wait.
Oh, let's try the green one. Do you think the green one's ready yet?
We'll try.
Have a look. Let's see.
Max's
Pull it
green
back.
egg. Pull it out.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, you think that's ready?
Really nice.
You should put it back in.
Do you want to,
Well.
well, Hercules, you broke the egg.